Why does the weather feel so different these days? It's like the sky is so angry.
Maybe it is. Maybe it's trying to tell us something that we need to change.
But what if a school could be more than just a place to learn? What if it could listen, adapt, and even heal, just like the nature itself? Welcome to Project Naira, where innovation and sustainability don't compete but connect. A living system designed not just to withstand the future, but to shape it. Not all stars are born in the sky. Some take shape right here. Nestled in Charholi on the outskirts of Pune, Project Naira is not just any other school. It's a place where every student is busy solving their own puzzles, searching for that one missing piece only to realize they're building something much bigger. The primary wind direction is from the west, with secondary winds coming from the east. Direct radiation is most critical from the west and south. The site has a contoured landscape and is surrounded by residential plots. It is accessible through an existing 18-meter wide road. The form is designed for efficiency and comfort, adapting to its environment at every stage. In the first orientation, the blocks are facing north, maximizing daylight while minimizing heat gain. In the second orientation, the block has been extended as a canopy, creating self-shaded pockets that enhance natural ventilation while protecting interior spaces from excessive heat. The third orientation refines heat management further. The western block is curved, preventing solar radiation from concentrating on a single surface and effectively deflecting heat to maintain a cooler indoor environment. Finally, in the fourth orientation, the west-facing facade is flayed to face east, ensuring the building receives softer morning sunlight rather than harsh afternoon radiation. Additionally, the convex form on the western side now plays a crucial role in heat deflection. The natural depression on site has been transformed into a pond collecting harvested rainwater for flushing and landscaping. More than just a reservoir, it serves as the heart of our structure, driving evaporative cooling while the surrounding shaded trees pre-cool the incoming winds, ensuring a more comfortable indoor environment. The scattering of blocks has been purposefully done to encourage natural airflow, boosting cross-ventilation and improving indoor air quality. This arrangement of blocks creates shaded zones, reducing indoor temperatures and improving comfort. The western facade is designed with angled surfaces to evenly distribute sunlight, preventing excessive heat accumulation. The voids not only act as breakout zones but also are natural air pockets, helping hot air escape while allowing cool air to circulate. The light wells act as pockets for stack ventilation as well as bring in ample amount of daylight in the corridors. The USP of our design is the approach to the building that takes me through a lush green lawn where a pond reflects the surrounding landscape. As I move forward, the playground's gentle contours merge seamlessly with the ground floor, blurring the boundaries between built and open spaces. A double-height open canteen overlooks the playground, serving as a vibrant hub of interaction. The structure itself extends its form to shade the northern end of the playground, ensuring comfort throughout the day. Adjacent to this, the kindergarten space fosters playful learning while a dedicated cycling path winds through the site, encouraging movement and engagement with nature. Sustainability isn't just an add-on, it's the backbone of our structure. Every brick, every beam, every breadth of the space is built to endure, adapt, and push forward. This isn't just a campus, it's a system that refuses to waste, refuses to stagnate, and refuses to anything less than self-sustaining. So let me tell you, Project Naira isn't just where the stars rise. It's where they collide, connect, and create a multiverse of change.